Good morning, good morning, good morning America. It's another beautiful Monday morning today. Isang magandang umaga na puno ng pag-asa. Ang umagang kay ganda because life is beautiful. And today is Monday dito at saka magandang hapon or gabi sa ibang bansa. Kung saan sulok mo ng mundo kayo. So of course, I'm so excited kasi December na. And this is my favorite month of the year, di ba? Siyempre, lalo na ngayon na it's Advent. So, ngayon Advent, so ito yung panahon na it's a preparation time, especially pag malapit na yung Christmas time. So, marami tayong mga pinaghandaan, at saka yung magandang buhay pag may pinaghahandaan ka. It's time to do something good things in life because I believe that every day is a new day. It's a new hope, a new inspiration. At sa nalala ko yung ano ko noon na yung isa sa mga quote na ginawa ko sa buhay ko, yung sinasabawag na start up. Every beginning is beautiful. So start with a new life, with a new hope, with a new inspiration, a new goal, especially on Monday. Ano kaya mga plano nating magandang gawin sa buhay? Ano ba yung mga magandang pagbabago gagawin natin sa ating buhay? So ako siguro, I've been thankful for God for more than 21 years. Nandito ako sa California. Maraming pagbabago na natutunan ako sa buhay. Na hindi lamang sa sarili ko, pati sa pamilya ko at sa mahal ko sa buhay. Medyo masilaw yung mata sa init. Salamin muna tayo. So, marami magandang bagay na dapat baguhin natin sa sarili natin. Yung pahalagahan natin yung mga bagay kung anong meron tayo, lalo na yung pamilya natin. Kasi life is too short, life is beautiful. Kaya it's a beginning of life, it's time to make a changes na ano yung bagay na dapat gawin natin makatulong sa sarili natin. So, December is the month of joy, love, faith, and so many things in life, especially to give, right? So ako, pinaghanda ako na ngayon, lalo na yung Adapt at Childish Christmas, and thank you rin sa lahat ng mga supporters ko, sa mga tumulong sa akin for more than 4 years ago na ginagawa na namin to. Actually, legally ginagawa na namin for so many years, pero yung 4 years lang yung parang meron na kaming foundation na ginagawa. We're doing this for so many years. So, mahalaga lalo pag Christmas. So I just came back for our long weekend vacation. So almost 4 days na out kami. So isang magandang umaga po Ate Edna watching from Texas. So what I realized in life, important to start our life with thankfulness, and every beginning is beautiful. I realized yung ginawa ko noon so many years ago na sinabi ko, every beginning is beautiful. Begin to love. It's better to love yourself, your family, and the people who supported you and care for you. Yun ang pinakamahalagaan na bigyan mo ng pagmamahal. Begin to believe. Because the first ingredient to success is to believe yourself na meron kang ma-accomplish. At long you believe po, all good things happen to you. Na manatili kang transparent, honest, and good. Yung totoo ka talaga tumutulong at nagmamahal sa kapwa mo. And begin to change. Pag nagdasal tayo, hindi natin pagdasal pagbabago ng ibang tao. Pagdasal natin, ano magandang pagbabagong gawin natin sa sarili natin? Ano pang mga bagay dapat gawin natin? Lalo na Christmas is coming. Ano ba yung mga bagay na dapat natin gawin para makatulong sa sarili natin, sa mga tao sa paligid natin? Isang bagay na tutunan ko kay Madam Miriam Santiago de Pintor na sinabi niya, lahat na tao nagdadasal. Kahit yung mga boksingero doon nagdadasal. So, na manalo sila. Kung ano naman tao parehas na nagdadasal, paano sagutin ng Panginoon yung mga prayer? Ang natutunan ko is, God answer our prayer based sa kailangan natin, at sa need natin, hindi yung mga want natin. God knows and God's will be done. Kaya ako mag-pray tayo ng Our Father, na pinagdasal natin na they will be done, di ba? Kung really Lord, yun ang dapat para sa atin. Because God knows what is the best for us. Kaya pinagdasal tayo, we surrender everything to God. Kasi we believe na God is watching us, God knows what is the best for us. At ang ating yung panalangin natin na paano tayo baguhin ng Panginoon, maging mabuti tayong tao. Huwag tayong manatili na hindi tayo nagbabago, walang pagbabago sa buhay natin. Kaya, I'm watching the documentary, last night, na why there's only 10 countries na richest countries in the world, and one of those is USA. So, natutunan ko kasi sa USA kasi, dahil dito ako nakatulog, people mind their own business. They focus how to become successful physically, spiritually, emotionally. Hindi sila nakabantay sa ginagawa ng kapitbahay nila. Kasi, kaya yun ang pinakamalaga sa atin na mga Pilipino. Focus what is our personal success and growth. Kaya kung makita natin karamihan ng mga tao, hindi naging successful kasi binabantayan nilang bakura ng kapitbahay nila. Bantayan natin yung sarili natin. Ano ba yung mga gusto natin i-achieve sa buhay? Ano ba yung mga magandang bagay gagawin natin? So, begin to change our own self, our own mindset, and be the best version of ourselves. Kaya today, I reminding my book, 365 days. Kaya dito ko, binabasa ko to everyday kasi it's reminding me. Ginawa ko kasi to, the purpose is to remind myself. The purpose to remind people na life is beautiful. December is a month of joy. Yan, sa book na yun. The great thing to do in our life to enjoy life. Kailangan believe tayo, magbago tayo sa sarili natin para enjoy natin yung paninira, pagbantay ng ibang tao, bantayan natin yung sarili natin. You cannot watch other people kung hindi mo muna bantayan sarili mo. Huwag mo sabihin sa tao na hindi siya nag-asenso kung ikaw mismo hindi nag-asenso. So the most important to believe how to change yourself. Start everything in yourself, with your family. Kaya this very important. Sa book ko na to, sa book ko na ginawa to, start your day with joyfulness. You start your day na kung kabutihan ginagawa mo every single day, nagsasalita ka, nag-post ka na maganda din ang babalik sa iyo. Because you're doing good thing happen to you. It's just small people, they bring a smile to you. It's just share kindness and generosity, yun ang ibabalik sa iyo. Kaya yun ang pinakamahalaga. The joy, sabi niya, it's already in your hand. It's up to you how to do it every single day. Kaya yun ang pinakamahalaga. Kaya I'm so excited na the month of December, spread love, kindness, and not hate. Kaya tigilan na yung mga paninira na walang katotohanan. So we believe to change. The best changes happen within ourselves. Saka isa din sa mga ginawa ko na remind myself to begin to be healthy. Kung makita niyo yan, ginawa ko yan noon. Healthy it meant to say not only physically, spiritually, emotionally, mentally. Kung healthy yung pag-iisip mo, yung ginagawa mo, maging healthy din ang result sa buhay mo. Another thing is, begin to be wise. Isipin mo yung mga kabutihan, maging tamang paraan. Yun ang pinakamalaga sa buhay natin na always remember life is beautiful. Start life with joyfulness, with gratefulness, being thankful for God. Hindi sinabi ng Diyos na magsimula tayo sa araw na mag-hate tayo, manira tayo. No. Start a day with the joyfulness. Life is beautiful. Don't waste it. Kaya itong start up, change it now. Itong ginawa ko, I don't remember kung anong year ko ito ginawa, pero it's reminding myself every beginning is beautiful. Every day is a new beginning. And every beginning is beautiful. Begin to love. Begin to believe. Begin to change. Begin to be healthy. And begin to be wise by Anarita Reyes. So, it's reminding me, it's a month of December. It's Advent for sa mga Catholic Christian. It's time to prepare ourselves. Time to open ourselves with the goodness. And time to be generous. And the generosity start within ourselves. Kung hindi mo pinapahalagaan yung sarili mo, pamilya mo, at tao sa paligid mo, how you can say it? Kung puro negatibo at puro paninira ang galing sa sarili mo at sa bunganga mo, it's a reflection of yourself. Start the joyfulness with the goodness in your heart to being to change your life now. It's very helpful. Kasi yun ang makatulong sa iyo. Yung tao na palaging masaya, ang tao na positibo sa buhay, sila yung mga tao yung gumaganda ang buhay nila. Kaya doon na-realize ko nanonood ako ng documentary na why America one of the wealthiest countries in the world. Kasi nakapokus yung mga tao sa maganda nilang gagawin. Hindi sa paninira. Nakapokus sila, what is my goal this life? What I can do in my life? So for me, when my birthday came this November, na ginawa ko talaga yung diary ko ulit. Inisip ko yung mga magandang gagawin ko sa buhay ko. How to start my day every single day. Focus ako sa mga magandang bagay. Kaya I'm so thankful na for the 4 days, long weekend, Thanksgiving, na nakapokus ako to support my family, na in-enjoy namin yung buhay namin na for 4 weekend on November na nag-vacation talaga kami na we go to different places here in California na napakagandang maramdaman mo how beautiful your family is with you. Gaano kaganda yung buhay na pamilya mo kasama palagi, puro positibo sa buhay, na ignore those negative. Don't listen to them. Listen to yourself because the inner self is very important. Kasi the true joy start with yourself. Pag hindi ka naninira, hindi ka nagagalit or wala kang puot at galit sa puso mo, ibig sabihin, this is inner healing, kindness, love within yourself. Yan priority mo. And always remember, hindi lahat na tao sa paligid mo, they will like you. It's okay. The most important is yourself, because yung sarili mo yung pahalagaan mo, hindi yung ibang tao. Kasi makikita naman nila yung reflection kung sino at ano ka. 'Di ba? Kung masaya ka, enjoy mo yung family mo, kasi walang tutulong sa iyo eh. Ikaw nagpakahirap para sa sarili mo, ikaw naghanap buhay para sa sarili, para sa pamilya mo, kaya enjoy mo yun. Nobody can help you. You help yourself, help your family, and the people who care and loves you. Kaya part ng buhay natin, at i-ignore natin yun, take away those people who are negative in our life, those toxic people. Kasi part din yan ng isa sa mga libro ko na ginawa ko noon, dito din. You know, kaya palagi ko binalikan to, kasi when I did it 3 or 4 years ago, it remind myself at sa mga tao sa paligid. You know, nakalagay dito chapter 3, to give and forgive, self-care, and the other one, peace over stress is self-care. Huwag natin i-stress yung mga sarili natin, kasi hindi makatulog. You need to give peace, love, and unity in yourself, and enjoy your moment, enjoy your life. Christmas is coming. Maraming magandang regalo ibigay natin sa sarili natin, sa mga tao sa paligid natin. Kasi the most important, we start how to believe in ourselves, how to make ourselves happy and enjoy our life. You know, the great joy start today. So the changes start today. Kaya itong pinakamalaga sa buhay natin. You know, at saka isa dito sa sinabi at sinulat ko, when we fly with the wings of hope, we glide into the wind of prayer. Those who have a spiritual fortitude, we will be sustained by God. We claim victory. Kaya we always claim victory kung may mga kalakasan tayo, naniniwala tayo sa kabutihan at gumawa ng kabutihan. There's always a healing, miracle, and redemption. Then you will experience emancipating joy. Kaya palagi maramdaman yung joy kung magumagawa ka ng kabutihan. And then, what is the challenge this week? Kasi ang book may challenge yan this week. Yung nakalagay dito, speak positively and give a compliment. Kaya I'm to be thankful sa mga taong naniniwala, nagtitiwala at magtitiwala na always do good things in life. Kasi ang kabutihan na nanaig, in the end of the day, always lalabas talaga ang kabutihan. Like Jesus Christ. No matter na tiniraan siya, pero siya pa rin natili na buhay nating Panginoon for the rest of our life in eternity. Kaya through prayer, to being positive, always come out good in life. Socialize well. Makipagkapwa ka mabuti sa mga tao. Have enough rest, magpahinga, and enough nutrient. Kaya kumain tayo na mabuti. Kaya ang pinakamahalaga. And pray for your family and the benefits of others. Kaya ito yung challenge na natutulan ko. Every week, yung book ko na to is at 365 days. Year of purpose, positivity, and prayer. So, I learned so many things in this book. And then one of the prayers right now na i-share ko sa inyo is, Lord Jesus Christ, I pray that you endow me with inner peace and joy. Deliver me from anger, from pride and resentment, from hatred and hostility. Defend me. Allow your love and serenity to overshadow me, that I may able to do my duty to you and your people with gladness. Amen. So, yun ang kabutihan na gawin natin sa buhay natin, na nung ginawa ko to yung 365 days, Year of Purpose, Positivity, and Prayer by Anarita Reyes, it remind myself na why sayangin kong buhay ko sa mga walang kwentang tao, mga negative people. I focus my life being positive. Nakilala ako bilang isang international book author around the world, lalo dito sa Amerika, bilang known as Woman of Hope. I need to continue my life journey na marami pa mga tao ma-inspire, lalo na sa kabataan. And we're gonna have almost 300 children na matulungan ditong Christmas. I know some of those children is in elementary school, sa iba sa mga ibang barangay. So I've been thankful for God na ginawa na namin for so many years, pero naging official sa naging ginawa namin na part of foundation 4 years na namin ito. Kaya doon ako magtutok sa bagay na nakatulong sa karamihan, nakabinipit lalo sa kabataan, sa future nila, at maging mabuting tao, kasi ourselves is a reflection of who we are. Continue to say kindness, love, and unity with joy to everyone. And thank you sa lahat na tao naging part ng life journey ko. It's time to change. It's time to believe in yourself. Time to give hope and joy and inspiration every single day. Kahit saan sulok man tayo ng mundo, kung may joy sa puso natin, walang galit, walang paninira na iniisip ang sinasabi ng tao, we enjoy life. Especially with our family, and we enjoy life na maging healthy tayo, hindi lang physically, spiritually, and emotionally. Again, guys, isang magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Lalo na sa kay, hello, Ann, Martin, hello, yes, happy Monday, and hello, Mid, Obaldo in Saudi Arabia, isang magandang gabi sa inyo, or maga tanghali. Hi, Josie Santos, hello din sa iyo. At sa mga lahat sa tao, ay hello, Ate Winda, at hello po, Tita Lu, good morning. And of course, sa iba pang tao, Ate Edna and Abiero, sa hindi ko man mabanggit yung mga pangalan nyo, isang maganda at more blessing to all of us. Enjoy life with joy, love, and kindness. And of course, avoid people, negative, toxic people, hindi makatulong sa atin. Stay away. Focus in life with thankfulness, with joyfulness, with your family, with the people who love and care for you, and more blessing na darating sa atin kung mabuti kang tao. And live our life with transparency, with honesty, and integrity. At yun ang kailangan natin gawin sa araw-araw. I love you all and see you next time. Ako ay si Anarita Compierret, nagsasabi bilang isang woman of hope, ang buhay ay puno ng pag-asa. Sa Diyos lang tayo umaasa at magtiwala tayo sa ating mga sarili. There's always hope and love with God. Mabuhay at maraming salamat. Enjoy life at maging masaya tayo. Christmas is coming. Yun ang ng libro ko for this month of December, to have joy, to have love and kindness. You know, it's okay to forgive, of course, mag-forgive ka ng tao, pero yung mga bagay na ginawa ng tao, hindi mo na maibalik yon. Like Jesus Christ, you know, maraming gumawa sa kanya, masama si forgive them, but he pick only the 12 apostles na makasama niya, at saka yung 72 disciples niya. Ganyan rin sa ating buhay. Piliin natin yung mga tao, na mabuting tao na makasama natin until the rest of our life. I love you all and see you next time. Mabuhay again and see you next time again. And ingat kayo palagi. God bless us all. I love you all at mabuhay. Bye!